Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you are all safe. In today's class, we are going to see a lesson named My Elder Brother. This story is written by Munshi Premchand in the title Bade Bhai Saheb. Okay, this story shows that experience is as important as hard work. Whether your siblings fight with you, tease you, your siblings may fight with you or tease you or make you cry for no reasons, but they are always lovable towards you and most caring towards you. This story is a short play about two brothers who are affectionate and respectful to each other. The story also shows that learning from our day-to-day experiences is as important as what we learn from books in the school. This play is based on the famous story in Hindi Bade Bhai Saheb, written by Munshi Premchand. He is Munshi Premchand. A hostel room. Scene 1 starts at the hostel room. Two brothers aged 9 and 14 sitting at a study table. The elder brother Bhaiya is reading a book and the younger one Munna is drawing a picture of birds and animals. What are you doing, Munna? Asked Bhaiya. I am drawing, says Munna. When will you study? Where were you in the morning? I was playing, Bhaiya. How can you sit with a book for hours together? That's because I want my base in education to be very strong. If the base is strong, the building will stand steadily. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do a year's work. Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am and three classes ahead of me. I wonder why you keep writing the same word 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times, and copy the poems several times. Well, studying English is no child's play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject. A great amount of effort is required to speak or write English properly. But the moment you get a chance, you run to the field, play marbles, and fly paper kites, or sitting idling away with friends for fun. Can't you sit down and study? Oh, Bhaiya, there's a big mela in the village today. Should we go? Have you ever seen me going to a fair or going to watch a cricket or hockey match? I don't go near them. I prefer to study a book. I don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years, but you might stay in the same class for all your life. Do you expect to pass if you waste your time playing all the time? You are simply wasting father's hard-earned money. Bhaiya, I feel like running away and going back home. Now, stop crying. Put on a nice smile. Look, I'll make you a timetable for you to follow. Get up at dawn. See, Bhaiya has framed a timetable for Munna. So after advising Munna, Bhaiya frames a timetable for Munna. He has to wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning and the timetable is up to 11 p.m. in the night. This is the timetable for Munna. Now, Munna sees the timetable and asks, but when is the time to play? Play? What is the need, Munna? Oh, I love the green fields, the gentle breeze. I want to jump like a football. I like the touch and go for two sounds of kabaddi, and hurry, the flurry of volleyball pulls me like a magnet. As soon as I am on the field, I forget everything. Scene 2. The final exams are over and the results are out. Alas, I have failed once again, says Bhaiya. Oh, but Bhaiya, I have passed and topped in my class. Now there is only 2 years difference between us. But my dear brother, don't be so proud. You have passed only one class and you think that I am stupid and you are smart. Once in a while in a gilli danda game, you might get a lucky and hit a goal, but does not mean I have mastered the game. You have to work hard to be successful in life. When you have to study a subject like algebra or geometry in higher classes, then you will understand the importance of hard work. In geometry, if one writes ACB instead of ABC, the answer is marked wrong. The examiners will not spare you. They want you to learn word by word from the textbooks. Oh, bye Sahib, this is scary. I don't think I want to go for the 9th class now, but I will still complete my day's homework so that I get no punishment in the class. Just today, we were asked to write a short essay on the topic of punctuality in 4 pages. And imagine, can something be written on 4 pages and still be short? It's all so mixed up. Thank God it was time for school, or else the scolding would have gone and on. So, likewise, Munna and Baya were discussing. So, scene 3. The results were out once again, and it so happened that Munna passed and Baya failed again. Baya was really upset. Munna was also sad, seeing his brother so unhappy. Baya now became gentler with Munna. Munna became naughtier because of this and studied even less than before. I'm lucky. I can pass easily. I no need to study so hard. Now I can play games with my friends and fly kites. But I should still be careful that Baya does not see me flying kites. Now, Munna is playing in the fields. One day, a kite is flying slowly downwards. Munna starts running in order to grab it. Suddenly, he comes face to face with Baya. Aren't you ashamed to be playing kites all the day long? Don't you realize that now you're in the 8th class and are not studying in a lower class? If you think that I am just one class ahead of you and I can't say anything, you're wrong. I am 5 years older than you are and will always be. Understanding doesn't come only from reading books. Look at Ma and Baba. Ma has never gone to school and Baba has only passed 5th class. Really, Baya? Is this true? Yes, there are thousands of things that they know more than you or me. And even if we studied that the wisdom of the whole world, Ma and Baba will always have the right to explain to us and correct us. Now, what would you do if I were fall sick today? I don't know, Baya. I would tell Baba and she would rush to the hostel. Aha, I had expected this answer. But Baba would not get upset. He would first try to find out what was wrong and then he would call a doctor. Baba would know exactly what to do. They have more experience than us. Bhaiya, I am sorry. What you say is true. They became good friends. Bhaiya hugs Munna lovingly. So thereby the story ends. This story teaches us only the bookish knowledge will not bring us everything. Experience is more important than learning books. I hope you understood the story, children. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can contact your English teacher. Thank you, children.